Egypt is a closed society. It's a dictatorship in which political dissent is crushed. The free press is essentially non-existent, and as a consequence, top officials are allowed to enrich themselves without any accountability. Egypt just wanted this story to disappear, and they were willing to do whatever it took to make this happen. But what we do know is that the Egyptian government's reaction is part of a completely predictable pattern to muzzle and silence the truth tellers by force. Egyptian security officials went straight to the home of the journalist. They raided his home. They forced him to log on to his computer as they were there, and they forced him to delete the Facebook posts about the issue at hand. Well, Egypt released and has released more than 1,600 political prisoners since early 2022. That's good news. During that same time, they have jailed 5,000 more. So for every political prisoner that Egypt releases, 3 more are jailed. That's 1 step forward and 3 steps back.